Bottas and Vettel side by side. Bottas squeezes in and goes round the outside to try and take second place.
Oh, Lewis.
Lando Norris clinched a dominant victory at the 2024 Singapore Grand Prix, narrowing the gap to Max Verstappen in the championship race. 2024 Singapore Grand Prix. 6 talking points. Let's get started. Despite 2 close calls with the circuit's walls, Norris secured his 3rd career win, finishing over 20 seconds ahead of Verstappen. Max Verstappen, trailing Norris by 52 points, maximized his scoring despite a slower Red Bull. His weekend was marked by a protest against a penalty for swearing, leading to monosyllabic responses in press conferences. Verstappen's patience with such penalties is wearing thin. Oscar Piastri continued to impress, securing his 7th podium of the season. Despite a qualifying error, he showcased his overtaking prowess, enhancing McLaren's lead over Red Bull in the constructors' standings. Piastri's aggressive yet controlled driving is earning him the title of F1's pass master. Charles Leclerc's qualifying mistake cost him a chance at pole position, starting 9th instead. Despite a strong race, he finished 5th, unable to challenge the leaders. His performance was a reminder of what might have been with a better starting position. Daniel Ricciardo's fastest lap in Singapore may mark his final Grand Prix act. With his future uncertain, Ricciardo's contribution helped Verstappen's title bid, but highlighted his struggles with the RB team. His potential exit is a poignant moment for the 8-time Grand Prix winner.
Second place.
Oh, Lewis.